Hello children, today we will learn about methods of transport. So let's start. So first transport name is semi-trailer. This is a sailboat. Fighter jet. This is a caravan. This is a pickup truck. Bus. This is a bus. Car. This is a car. Bicycle. This is a bicycle. Scooter. This is a scooter. Jet ski. This is a jet ski. This transport name is cargo ship. This is a cargo ship. This is a moped. Moped. This vehicle name is tractor. This is a tractor. Feet. Feet. Speedboat. Speedboat. Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. This is a passenger jet. Passenger jet. This transport name is camper van. Camper van. Jet. This is a jet. Kayak. This is a kayak. Blimp. This is a blimp. Freight train. This is a freight train. Submarine. Submarine. Cruise liner. This is a cruise liner. Rowboat. This is a rowboat. Canoe. This is a canoe. Passenger train. This is a passenger train. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.